In problem 6, we again have an RC circuit, but this time it's discharging. And so we've got an initial charge, our initial voltage it starts off at. All right, so we've got our 162.8 ohms. We've got our 12.6 microfarads. And so in terms of microseconds, the RC time set constant is 2051 microseconds. We know where we start, so we know V naught, which is 15.5 volts. We know the time we're asked to figure out what's going on. It's in microseconds, and since tau is in microseconds and time is in microseconds, we're good there. And so the voltage on the capacitor, V naught times, right, minus T over tau. So it's a little different from before. And so here we go. So V naught times exp of minus T divided by tau. And we get 8.48 volts. And that's it for problem 6.